Hi, this is Anupriya from Standard 10. Today I'm going to discuss the topic light. So, which we all are studying from our earlier classes. So, whatever the things around us which we all are able to see is just because of light. So, light is a form of energy which gives us the sensation of sight. So, there are two types of object, luminous object and non-luminous object. Luminous object emit their own light and non-luminous objects reflect the light which fall on them. They do not have their own light. So the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So when a ray of light strikes the surface, it is known as incident ray, and the ray of light which bounced back, it is known as reflected ray. So there are two laws of reflection. First, the angle of incidence, that incident ray, the normal and reflected ray all lie on the same plane. Second, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. There are two types of reflection, regular reflection and irregular reflection. So regular reflection, when a parallel beam of light strikes the surface, then the reflected rays are parallel, that is called as regular reflection. But when a parallel beam of light strikes the surface, the reflected rays are not parallel, so that is known as diffuse reflection. So the mirror which we used in our home to see our face, to see ourselves, is a plane mirror. So plane mirror forms a virtual image. Virtual image is just an illusion. It is formed behind the mirror. It is due to the virtual intersection of light rays. So the image in the plane mirror is laterally inverted. Beside plane mirror, there are some other mirror. They are spherical mirror like concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror have bent-in surface and convex mirror have bulging out surface. Concave mirror have a real focus and a convex mirror have a virtual focus. So the bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium, it is known as refraction. So the refraction takes place because of the variation of speed of light in different media. So there are two laws of refraction. First law states that the incident ray and the reflected ray, the refracted ray, the normal, all lie in the same plane. The second law states that the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant. That constant is known as refractive index. It is also known as Snell's law of refraction. So, the lenses are also used to deviate that light rays. So there are two types of lens, concave lens and convex lens. So concave lens are known as diverging lens and convex lens are known as converging lens. So now we will study about mirror formula. Mirror formula is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Linear magnification is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. If it has plus sign, then image is virtual. If it has negative sign, then image is real. So now we will study about lens formula. So lens formula is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. And linear magnification that is given by lens is equal to height of image by height of object. So this is all about the lens. Now we will study about sign convention. The direction of light rays. The right side of the mirror is taken as positive and the left side of the mirror is taken as negative, because the left side is just against the incident ray and the right side is in the direction of incident ray. So that is the sign convention. And the height of height of object above the principal axis is taken as positive and below the principal axis it is taken as negative. So these all are the things which we study about light. Now this is the light rays which we have studied about light. Thank you.